My name I'm DeAnthony Price. I'm from South Georgia, which is about 14 hours east. I am a senior majoring in agricultural communications at Abraham Baldwin Agricultural College. This summer I have had the opportunity to work with Dr. Lynn Brandenberger and Miss M. Carrier on squash, and what we are doing is we are trying to find different ways to present squash bugs. And so throughout the summer, we have been through multiple challenges. One of them is obviously squash bugs. And what they do is they get into the squash and they suck the sap. And then, and so normally they just all cluster up together, and they are like a goldeny type of color, which for this plot, it is good to have squash bugs. Because we want the squash bugs rather on the uncovered plots than covered plots. That means obviously the uncovered plots are working. We actually started taking harvest data, which was about 3 weeks ago. And so what we do is we come out here, we pick all of the squash that we can, and then we take down the data. And so hopefully by the end of this week, we will be able to collect all of the data and see how the squash bugs has affected the harvest of the squash. This summer has been an awesome experience for me, simply because I'm from South Georgia, and so just coming to the Midwest and just learning about new cultures here, and then also ag here, because ag here is very, very different from ag in South Georgia. And so being able to work in a production field, and I'm trying to grow something that you eat is awesome, because without farms we have no food. So there we go.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.